The Matsui JCGB is a gravimetric blender that has the best cost performance in the industry. The JCGB blender precisely supplies blended materials to an injection molding machine or extruder in any application environment. With a maximum capacity of 132 pounds per hour, the JCGB is packed with power and dependability. It features a high-performance amplifier and an anti-vibration load cell for high-speed sampling and resolution. The JCGB Gravimetric Blender comes equipped with a vertical valve mechanism built into the material hopper to ensure precision measuring of the master batch. The material hopper is hooked and clamped onto the frame for secure mounting and demounting, making the removal of the hopper quick and easy. The front door opens and closes for easy access to the measuring hopper and mixing blade. The removal of the measuring hopper and mixing blade is simple and efficient, making it easy to clean and maintain during material changes. An included discharge drain port makes for even easier cleaning. It features an operator-friendly 7-inch touchscreen panel with virtual network computing. The unit comes with an air compressor nozzle, an alarm light, a pressure gauge, and an on-off switch. The JCGB Gravimetric Blender offers high-performance features including precision blending, quick material changes, and easy maintenance. This is achieved through Matsui's proven innovation and simplified design.